Do you feel bored looking at your home? Do you want your home to look stylish and beautiful, but think that a home makeover is very expensive? Well, the good news is you don't need to spend a lot of money to make your home look amazing. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Shashi and I have been designing and styling homes for many years. In today's video, I will share some easy and budget-friendly or home makeover ideas that can completely change the look of your home. So make sure you watch till the end because I will also share some interior designer secrets that can make your home look expensive without spending much money. Declutter your home. The first and most important step is decluttering. Before buying anything new, remove things that you no longer use or need. Many times, our homes look messy because we have too many things. Go through every room and ask yourself these 3 questions. Do I use this? Do I love this? Does this make my home look better? If the answer is no, then it is time to remove or donate that item. Trust me, a clutter-free home immediately looks bigger, cleaner, and more beautiful. Part 2, rearrange your furniture. You do not always need new furniture to give your home a fresh look. Try moving your furniture around. You can change the position of your sofa, move a side table to another room, create a cozy sitting corner, change the placement of chairs. Sometimes, simply changing the layout of a room can make it feel completely new. And the best part, it is absolutely free. Part 3, change soft furnishings. If you want quick results, change your soft furnishings. This includes cushion covers, curtains, bed sheets, throws, rugs. New cushion covers or fresh curtains can instantly brighten your room. My tip is to choose neutral colors like white, beige, cream. You can start with light gray and add color through cushions or decor accessories. This gives your home a stylish and elegant look. Improve your lightings. Lighting plays a very important role in home decor. Even a simple room can look luxurious with the right lighting. You can add table lamps, floor lamps, wall lights, fairy lights. Also, try to use warm lights instead of very bright white lights in living rooms and bedrooms. Warm lighting makes a home feel cozy, welcoming, and expensive. Mirrors are one of the easiest ways to make a home look bigger and brighter. If you have a small room, place a mirror opposite a window. It will reflect natural light and make the room appear larger. Mirrors also add elegance and style to any space. Plants can completely change the feel of a home. They make your home look fresh, lively, and welcoming. Some easy-to-maintain indoor plants are snake plant, money plant, pothos ZZ plant. If you are a beginner, start with these plants. You can also use beautiful planters to make your space look even better.
Part 7. Now let me share a simple styling trick used by interior designers. When decorating a shelf or table, always remember to use the rule of 3. Try using groups of 3 items. For example, a vase, a small plant, and a candle, or books, a decor object, and a photo frame. Also, do not overcrowd your space. Leaving some empty space makes a home look clean, modern, and luxurious.
You do not need a huge budget to create a beautiful home. Small changes can make a big difference. Remember, a beautiful home is not about spending more money. It is about making smart choices and creating a space that reflects your personality. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which tip you are going to try first in your home. And if you love home decor, interior design, and budget makeover ideas, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.